On this Veterans Day, we want to focus today's mental health check on those who fought for our country.
The most recent data from the VA shows fewer veterans died by suicide in 2020, but there were still more than 6,000 deaths that we know about. I had a wide-ranging conversation with the Secretary of Veterans Affairs, and I asked him how the agency is trying to combat this problem.
Suicide prevention is our #1 clinical priority at VA, and we will stay on top of it until we get to zero. So our role is to make sure that veterans have access to care, that families have access to the information that they need.
How is the VA then innovating around this issue? To your point, to try to get to zero, what are you doing to get to the next level of prevention?
We're drawing on the innovation present among the American people and already active in our healthcare systems. That's one. Two is we have a new set of authorities that allow us to invest in organizations in local communities where, as I said, those communities know their veterans best. These are all interventions that have proven in some cases to reduce the impact of things like isolation, depression, impact of post-traumatic stress. We also have the best mental health care providers in the country at VA. We have counselors, overwhelmingly veterans themselves, and in many cases, combat veterans, who are there for their fellow veterans to provide them, in many cases, same day or very quick access to care if you're a survivor of military sexual trauma, if you're a combat veteran yourself, if you're grieving the loss of one of your battle buddies. You can walk in and get access to care.
You described some of the shortage issues as being critical, where the numbers, the actual people available to offer these treatments, whether it's in person or virtually, aren't what you would like them to be. How are you trying to address that particular issue, the shortage in numbers?
Fair enough, and Congress has helped us to do that. They've given us a bunch of new authorities, including new pay authorities, including new student loan forgiveness capabilities, including new ability to pay, for example, a bonus to keep a provider up front at the start of the year rather than at the end of the year. I feel really good about our ability to get our hands around these shortages, but the shortages are real, and we're going to get on top of them.
You have these community organizations that are doing tremendous work. They're doing a lot of research. They're doing a lot of the outreach. And obviously to have this tremendous amount of funding through these grants is going to be helpful to them for doing that work. But what's VA's role in making the connection between these organizations and the veterans who can benefit from the work that those groups are doing?
Mission Daybreak allows us. That's this grand challenge that we've put out there to the community, to the country. This allows us to go out, validate proven interventions, and assure our vets that they can be trusted so that they get some care and get some relief.
Do you think the Department of Defense is doing enough on the front end when it comes to mental health? Do you think that there's enough being done to shore up their mental health from boot camp before they become veterans?
It is such a priority for President Biden. It is such a priority for Secretary Austin. He is, I said a moment ago, constantly telling the force, mental health is your health. They're making this a fundamental priority. We are partnering together to make sure that we're investing in the whole force, that is to say the active duty force, and our veterans. And we're innovating and talking with one another about how we do a better job of this.
Veterans who are in crisis and those who know a veteran in crisis can contact the Veterans Crisis Line for confidential support 24/7. The numbers are on your screen there, 800-273-8255, or you can text 838-255. And he mentioned Mission Daybreak there. We're going to have more about one of the organizations that's doing some great work, community organizations, on Sunday night on NBC Nightly News. They're in competition for that grant.
Looking forward to that, right? So these are the organizations that are actually on the ground doing the work.
And innovating,
Aaron, thank you for that so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.